You won't believe these vibrant oat flatbreads are made with no wheat flour, yeast, eggs, dairy, baking powder, or sugar, using just 2 simple ingredients. Their color is completely natural. And unlike store-bought breads that can be unhealthy, these are actually nourishing, wholesome, and even great for weight loss. Best of all, they are completely gluten-free. Hi everyone, welcome back to DelishTube. Start by peeling 1 medium beetroot. I'd love to know which country you're in. Drop your flag or country name in the comments below. Today, we're making these gorgeous beetroot flatbreads. Before we start, I have to be honest with you. On my first attempt, I followed a popular flatbread recipe I found on the internet, and it was a complete failure. But don't worry, because after some research, I found a much easier method that actually works. I'll show you both so you don't make the same mistakes I did, so make sure to watch until the end. Then, cut the beetroot into small pieces. Did you know that beetroots are actually a natural superfood? They are known for supporting healthy blood pressure, improving circulation, and even boosting workout stamina, all while fighting inflammation with powerful antioxidants. That means this vibrant pink flatbread isn't just beautiful to look at, it's also packing those same amazing benefits into every single bite. Place the pieces into a blender or food processor, add 1 cup of water, and blend until completely smooth. What do you think these flatbreads taste best with? And what dishes would you pair them with to make them even more delicious? So, this is the beetroot extract. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Press it well with the back of a spoon. Extract as much liquid as possible. Just look at this color. Deep, rich magenta. It's so beautiful, you almost want to drink it like a smoothie. Our beetroot juice is ready. For the dry base, we grind our oats into a flour. Measure 1½ cups of rolled oats. Pour them into a grinder and grind until you get a very fine powder. If you do not have a grinder, you can use ready-made oat flour. Use exactly 125 grams. For the best texture, sift the oat flour once. This helps make the bread soft and smooth. Remove any large pieces. In the end, you should have 125 grams of fine oat flour. Pour the oat flour into a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now it's time to add the beetroot juice. The recipe said to add it gradually, so that's exactly what I did. Mix after each addition. Continue until a soft dough forms. The dough should be slightly sticky. Oats absorb more water than regular flour. That is completely normal. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming healthy and delicious videos. At this point, something felt off. My dough dried out way too fast, unlike the video I watched. But hey, let's just give it a shot for now and see what happens. Now add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Knead gently for just 1 minute till smooth. This keeps the bread soft even after cooling. The dough is ready. The recipe said there's no need for any long kneading or resting time. Dust your counter with a little flour and gently place the dough on it. Shape it into a long log, slice it into 6 equal pieces. Each piece makes 1 flatbread. Pick up 1 piece and roll it into a smooth ball. Do the same with the rest. Use a rolling pin to roll it into an even round. I rolled it out to get that perfect thickness, not too thick, but not too thin either. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, then place the flatbread in the pan until small bubbles appear. And it was a total fail. I honestly don't know what went wrong with mine. If anyone knows what happened, please tell me in the comments below. So, this one failed. Now, let's start making it the right way. Using that oat flour we made earlier, I poured it right into the blender along with the beetroot extract. Yup, we're sticking to just these two ingredients. No psyllium husk powder added this time, and we let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then, we'll blend or mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. Add salt and extra virgin olive oil. Give it another quick mix, then set it aside to rest for a bit. And this is the exact texture you're looking for. I'm not even sure what to call this texture. Is it a batter or a dough? Here's something important to note. As I said before, oat flour absorbs liquid quickly, which can change the texture of your batter if you take too long to cook. If your batter happens to dry out, simply add a splash of water or a bit more beetroot extract. Now we're all set to cook this flatbread. Heat the pan over medium heat again, then pour in the batter and spread it into a nice, even circle. Spread it out until you get that perfect, even thickness. And here is the tip. Once you flip the flatbread, gently press down on it. This traps the steam inside, forcing it to expand and create those big, beautiful air bubbles. Look at that. Unlike my first attempt, this looks like an absolute win, doesn't it? Without these air bubbles, flatbread turns out dense, heavy, and rubbery. The air pockets create thin, hollow layers inside, making the flatbread pillowy, light, and easy to fold or tear. You want a crisp, toasted exterior with those classic golden brown blister spots, but the inside should stay soft, light, and pillowy. A successful flatbread should be elastic and flexible. This is exactly the kind of texture we want. Look at this. The failed flatbread isn't flexible at all. It's stiff, dry, and as soon as I try to fold it, it snaps right in half. Now, look at the difference between these two flatbreads. Let me know in the comments what you think. There are so many different ways to enjoy these versatile flatbreads, both savory and sweet. Today, I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorites, a refreshing yogurt and strawberry topping. In a small bowl, take some plain yogurt and mix it with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a drizzle of honey. Stir it well until it's completely smooth, light, and beautifully combined. This is exactly the creamy spread I needed. After that, let's slice up some strawberries for the topping, though you can swap them out for any other fruit you like. Spread this mixture generously over the surface of our soft beetroot flatbread and top it off with fresh, vibrant sliced strawberries. Last but not least, sprinkle a few chia seeds right over the top. This combination is incredible. The tart yogurt, sweet honey, and juicy strawberries pair so well with the earthy sweet beetroot flatbread. It tastes just like a light summer dessert, refreshing, balanced, and so satisfying. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what toppings you paired it with. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for being with us. Wishing you all good health and bon appetit.